Hi friends! Welcome to Candyland ABC. Come on, let's learn our letters with yummy candies. Ready? Let's start.
A is for apple candy, juicy, red and browns. O for apple candy. B is for gummy bear, bouncing left and right. B for blueberry bar. C is chocolate cookie, crunchy bite so sweet. C for cookie. D rides a donut bicycle, rolling down the street. D for donut. E is a Claire floating in a bubblegum balloon. E for eclair. Biff loves fruity lollipops. Lick, lick, zoom. F for fruity lollipop. G is gummy bear, bouncing everywhere. G for gummy bear. H is honey candy, sprinkly, sweet and rare. H for honey. I is ice cream candy, sprinkles on the top. I for ice cream candy. J jumps in the jelly lake, splash, wiggle, pop. J for jelly. K is a candy kite, flying high and free. Feather pot. L is lemon lollipop, yellow as can be. L for lollipop. M climbs marshmallow mountain, soft and snowy white. M for marshmallow. N sails a no-beat route, floating left and right. N for nougat. O spins like orange candy, round and glowing bright. O for orange candy ring. P pops peppermint clouds, minty cool delight. P for peppermint. Q asks it quiz candy, questions day and night. Q for quick quiz candy. R rolls rainbow candy, what a colorful sight. R for rainbow roll. S is strawberry swirl, twirling pink and sweet. S for strawberry. T builds a toffee tower, sminty, tall and neat. T for toffee. U rides unicorn cupcake, sparkles at its feet. U for unicorn cupcake. V dips in vanilla cream, sprinkles on its sheet. V for vanilla. W is watermelon jam.